What's up? Sorry. I have like the awkward entrance every time, or it doesn't feel right. Doesn't feel right. So, yesterday, guys, I got the boxes loaded in. But the primary issue is that these things aren't going to. They're not going to carry over into the game state. So what we're going to have to do is create something that's done at runtime and work from there. So that's what I'm going to be trying to do today. Which means that I'm going to have to make the character. I'm going to have to make his speed 0. 0 character. That. Speed 0. File. So, none of this is going to be moving. What we plan to do is essentially go into go to the object, level straight. Things are going to be changing. They won't be changing up in a B. We're going to go to the viewport. Default level. Where's my window viewport? It's here, but I don't see it. This is ridiculous. Why is a viewport down here, dude? That's no bueno. Alright, let's crack this guy out. This is gonna be less. We're no longer gonna need a static mesh, because we're just gonna be loading in static meshes. I guess we'll need this. My awkward white guy dance. Let's compile these. Save these. And when we play, the character's just gonna fall. So, when the level actor starts, we're gonna want to run the cube. Begin play. Possibly. So we do create the box component. Hey, let's go. Now this is going to give us multiple. See how we're getting like so many? It's because we're not taking in the actor's location. We're not taking the actor's location into consideration when we're creating this. So, down here in the position of these, we're going to have the offset. Since that's there, we might as well use get sphere. Now we have a get spawn offset. This is gonna be one of those things where we work through. This is 1,000 here for sure. This is gonna have to go up 100. I wonder why it's 100. Oh, you know what it is it's because we need stuff in the thing. Plus 100, so its offset is, you know, done like the thing's done. dislike how this is doing this. View comment input subsystem. Whenever we're in play, like, ridiculous. So we want this to be, we're just gonna have to say like this actor, right? This actor location. Dude, I love this song. That's why I was putting like capital plus. We don't need that for this actually. We just need it for the X realistically. Yeah, we don't need it for the. We don't need it for these. We just need it for the X. But we're eventually going to run into some issues because this is creating these boxes at runtime and then deleting them. Funny enough, so gotta put some. Yeah, here we go. Awesome. Because I've created so many in that small time frame. We're gonna want to unregister. I want to unregister this before we do that because I feel like that could potentially. Hey guys, look, it's Judah. It's the new Jew. Duh. Tell me what you think about him. Let me know what you think about him in the comment section. Tell me if you like him. Some people like him, some people love him. But isn't that everybody? Isn't that everyone, dude? Isn't that all of us? Anyways, yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more game dev videos. And there it is. There's my 60 seconds. That was my 60 seconds. One take is all it takes, guys. Around here. What is that? 8 minutes. Like 7 minutes, dude. Boom. There's a 60-second video we can throw out today. Let's go ahead and do this. I think I changed this as I was compiling, so I don't know if it's compiled completely. Pause. Collisions. Awesome. We're still not doing what we need to do. I think that has to do with it. Even though I don't know why it has to do with that, but yeah. Okay, that's the concern. That's why. All of these are being created there. Hopefully the unregistrate component helps, but I don't know why this set relative location. Set relative location. Set location. world location. I mean, if we set it relative, it should automatically take the character's location into consideration. You would think. You would think. Boom. And still. Come on. Why does it do this, dude? Like, that needs to be fixed. Because I'm taking inputs in, it's like, because there's a widget, we're having that problem. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna open the level blueprint and not create the widget. How much? Watch this work. Oh, it still does it. Awesome. Awesome. I made bad, no. She made bad, no. I don't have this issue with any other thing. You know, it's probably because I have an overlay instead of a canvas for the widget, but everything runs in one another. You know, that's why it does it. Looks like it's off by 1 though, so I'll have to add a -1,000 in there. So let's go ahead and minus the get spawn offset. Realistically, that's just the relative location from the end of the actor to the start of the actor. But, you know, if I set this to relative, set relative location, and then get rid of this, because that's relative, so it shouldn't matter at this point. So we are running into that. This should be relatively easy. We want to add this, but we also want to get this. Let's just do a -1,000. I love that, don't you guys? Where it like selects multiple. Yo, what's up, Chase? So this one's hidden because there is only a couple of these here. How you doing, Chase? I'm not even gonna register these components. Do I need to register these components? Let's ask chat. the grid system for the game. So I create this, I do all this, attach to component. Do I need to attach to it? I don't think I do. Hey, safe. I'm speedrunning max XP and knack. Ooh, he's got a knack for that, huh? I've played it 8 times before on stars or hard, but now I'm doing it very difficult, which is the highest difficulty, and it's not too hard, but it's challenging and fun. That's good to hear. Good that you got something that's taking some of your time. I mean, these are all object pointers to those objects, right? I still don't get access to these files. But when I remove them, yeah. Guess it's time to just go in here. Ooh, not there. Outside of the for loop. If the element exists, we delete it. Currently right now just trying to work on this level system so I can get more I don't know the right word. I want to say a more refined spawning system has some flexibility in the way it's controlled. So the idea is, and I'll show you guys this, sorry, collisions, for some strange reason that's a weird thing. So these boxes are going to be controlled, they're going to control spawning things, right? For now, I'll just do one. The annoyance here is that the level manager is going to be spawning them a little bit differently because of how we are bringing them in, but I think I can control that by essentially, I mean, that should be controlled. Was that replace? We create all the things. And then we spawn level. When we spawn the level, I want to have the initial spawn count. Right? Which is 1. So this is going to do it twice now. -1. This is -1, so it's going to be 0. Yes, sir. See you when you get back. Posters and presentations. That's cool. Gotta find a way to make that money, Sonny. Just make sure that it's, you know, honest work. Right? Don't let money influence you to do should be good, I think. Gotta get that white man awkward dance in. So, I bet you if this was 0, it would be a lot different. Cause, I mean, no matter what, if there's only 1, in the level manager, in here, I'm only spawning 1, so in code that should look like 0. It's gonna spawn 0, but this is -1, so it's gonna go to 0. I bet you if I had 2 in here, right, played this, it would probably put 2. If I had 3 in here, it's only gonna place 2. Just to check this, yeah. So it's only gonna place 2. Come on, man. That's a stupid bug. This whole, like, look at this, like, it disappears. It's fine in this, but when you go to play, it gets all torn up. So yeah, we have 2. We only want 1. Let's go ahead and put 1 in here. You know, honestly, I'll keep it as is. I don't want to write the logic for like, oh, if it's only 1. I want it to be rather dynamic, and since it's -1 on here, it's so it can go to the left more. Experience, that's cool. Anyways, let's start going into this level actor. And this thing's gonna have a lot. We're not gonna need the execute and editor anymore. We're not gonna need all this other stuff like this where we're doing like post changes within the editor. That's just not necessary anymore. But it's good to know that there's a feature like this in case we want to do something in the future. But the limitation is that when you do compile, that stuff's gonna delete. Not for money, but for experience. Honestly, man, that's a good way to go about it too, especially if you're just trying to get experience creating something or doing art for others and learn how to communicate and, you know, just get a job done. Those are all valid things. Manager C++. So we don't need this, but what we do need is to start we need to start doing stuff on its creation, on actor hidden or actor unhidden, right? When it's unhidden, we want to remove, or when it's hidden, I guess we'll remove static objects. Which is going to be difficult because now we're going to need to pull. So we're going to have to find a way to like, we don't fix pooling system to add in more objects if we don't have any to pull from. Right? That's going to be something we have to do in the pooling system, but when we get to that bridge, we'll get there. The biggest issue right now is spawning the stuff. How are we going to have that work? I don't know. I really don't. How do we say, like, this is the floor? This is the floor. We need these here to check out what's above. So we essentially need to categorize these into different, we need to categorize these, right? Like if I go like this, we have to categorize these. I'll do like purple, like floor. FLR. Then we'll have ground, air, but this is going to be difficult because I don't really want to title them that, like something that's so categorized that it could miscommunicate what the purpose of the system is. We know that the bottom one is definitely going to be like only floors spawn here. And we have to check these to see like what we can spawn up here. Because let's say there's a gap here, right? Since there's no collision occurring here, then we know that these are automatically not something we can do. And yeah, I would even say these are something we can't do, because I don't want someone to slide and then like just into nothing. So we possibly have to do something like this. But who knows, maybe someone could still jump right here, right? And then they double jump. We'll have to play around with the system more to make it intuitive. There's only so much we can do. But yeah, we're gonna have to find a way to layer these off into different systems, and for each 10, there'll have to be another array. How many of these does that take up anyways? I'm assuming we'll only need about 6, max 7. So in that actual actor, we'll have to, what the workload will look like is we'll go into the actor and we'll know beforehand, like, hey, this is going vertical left and right, so let's have them only have about that much. But even then, it's like, shoot. I dislike that I need to do this every time. Thank you, game. Thank you, game. And then it does this. That is such an annoying bug. Yo, Al, what's up, man? How's it going, buddy? Let's just add something in here, like a basic actor. Alright, add. We want a shape. And I want to put that up to about like 900. Let's just look into spawning a floor, which means each level actor is going to have static meshes. The array. That's not how we're gonna have to do it. We're gonna have to make like static meshes that are already created, but they'll have to be actors. Man, this is gonna be complicated. This is gonna be complicated. 100%. Ugh. All right, so because if we do it like this, we'll have to create them when we create them. This is me, big sad moment, because it's gonna be big hard. I'll be right back. Snack. Back for the snack. I just had a quick little cereal. Funny snack. Smacked me into shape. I'm just gonna have to pull. I don't want to do all this today. Super lazy day. sounds old school Japanese. It's probably because it's Nintendo GameCube music. I'm trying to figure out make myself sad with peace. So this was originally in charge of just bringing in levels that had pre-created stuff, right? But now it looks like the level manager is going to have to hold on to the levels, right? And then we'll have to have like actual assets. So like we don't need this no more. Right, delete. And this is just gonna be like BP level. Right? Let's just force delete. Now we just have our one singular level that's gonna have that. This isn't gonna be like I'm trying to think, do I keep this? Because I'll have to make a BP level that's like, so when I have the BP level, it'll be all this. We have a level actor, but it's now like we're gonna have to make a pool actor that's like level object actor. So yeah, that's what we'll have to do. No point in crying about it. Let's just start getting to work. So we're gonna need a class. Sorry. I'm just writing stuff because I'm trying to. I don't want to do it. Like, oh, don't make me do this again. Why am I in custom components? We want to do it here. Sorry. Check actor, public, level object already exists. These guys are actually going to inherit from a pool actor. That's where these guys are going to inherit from. So this is the descriptor page of project settings. Well, let's build the project. La, 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 la. Don't judge me, Owl. Why are you judging me, Owl? I feel you judging me, Owl. Owl. I'll be your guide. What? Don't talk to me. Yeah, stop judging me. Lucky I don't want to spill my water or start slamming my table like crazy. That sound like drinking water? Or did it just sound like me being weird? Probably a little bit of both, but that's why you guys are here, right? That's why we got you all in here today. Click the like and subscribe button. Subscribe the channel. Yeah, I did an emphasis there. It's not because I couldn't think of anything to say, but because I was trying to make it more dramatic. Whatever, Al. You freaking hurt my feelings, dude. What? I wasn't paying attention. You said you were judging me, but you weren't judging me. What are you working on? So realistically, all this thing's gonna have when we bring it in, it's gonna need a static. I guess, we can do like an enum here. A U enum, maybe. Blue turn. Right, and then boom, and then boom, boom. And we can do floor, platform, obstacle, none. But if we do that, we're definitely gonna want to add in a E level object type. We'll set this to none right off the get-go. Also expose this to be editable anywhere with a blueprint read write category level object. This isn't necessarily going to need a name, but we would probably want to check this or make like iterate through each one and see what it is and add it to like the pooling system based on what its type is. At least you're working on it. I haven't even considered doing a convention. I'm like, I'm not going to do a convention until I have money. I'm broke and I'm a loser. That's just how life is for me. I'm not a loser. I'm a winner. Yeah. Woo. The Lord's gave me that feeling like, don't you call yourself that. You don't call yourself that. I'm like, yeah, I'm great, dude. I love myself. I'm amazing. Woo! Yeah, where's my spinner at? And the little tiny baby fireworks. That'd be dope. Anyways, this is going to need a editor anywhere. Static mesh. Static mesh. Right. Static mesh. Sorry, use static mesh component. Static mesh component equals null pointer. And then in here we'll want to static mesh component equals create default sub object. And then static mesh component dot set up attachment to the root component. And the thing that's great about the pool actor is that it already, you're a creative loser, I understand. Great minds think alike. We can't say that about ourselves. The Lord doesn't like it. We're creative winners. We're creative winners. We're not broke. We're rich in spirit and we're happy. Woo! Woo! Yeah. I don't know why, I just think of like a convention where people are like, woo! Yeah, we're amazing. Yeah, so happy to be here today. It's just one of those days, guys, you know, like just keep believing. Keep believing in yourself. Create default sub-objects. Set up attachments. The pet pig. Yeah, it's kind of a little bit how I feel right now. But yeah, so this thing's going to, we're going to create level objects for this to spawn in. I don't know if I want to... Static mesh components already have. They already have capability to take collisions, so it's not necessary for us to have one. But it's good in some cases. But yeah. I don't want to just be able to set this. I mean, I do want to set it here. So we can just say get object type. That's pretty much it. Yeah. Show love. Running Unreal Build Tool.net. It's already building. Yeah. Stop and rerun. Unable to start build. Another build is building. Another build is building. We can't build because another build is building. Syntax error. Oh no. Oh no, we've messed up really bad here, boys. I don't know what to do. Let's see if doing it again helps. If not, we're gonna have to clean and rebuild. Which make me big sad. It make me big sad. Big cry. Big unhappy. Wait, it did it. Yeah. Where's like the jump up and like be happy? That's what I need next. Is like a little Judah like. Yeah. Can you guys freaking like and talk on Twitch so I can get my emotes in here? Come on. Best emotes on the planet. Created here. By Al himself. Right? We got the best ones. Just to show you. We got Sad Judah. We got Happy Judah. We got Mad Judah. And we got Judah Bible. See? Let's bring these to Twitch so you can use them here. On every channel that you possibly can put it on, you know? Like, yeah, there we go. Yeah. Yeah. I should stream later in the day so I can recommend raids. Like, what time are we talking about, dude? They're gonna have to deal with children crying in the background and my wife being like, she makes that noise really, which they might like. I like that. So. I'm joking. She doesn't make that voice. I make that voice. That's my voice. A level object. What is a level object? A level object is an object you spawn inside of a level. Haha, yeah. After 6. Okay. So around like 1 o'clock in the morning, I'll be like, all the way down to midnight. So I have to do it at like midnight. Be like, hey, everyone. Level or LO for level object, low, BP low, BP low, floor, straight, why give me all things? I got 2 static mesh. No need 2 static mesh. So it already has static mesh. I don't need make static mesh. Okay, we take that out. We take it out. We take it out. We take this out too. We say no. We say no. No. Can't wait till I have a dancing owl. I thought you were gonna make your character break dance. And you should make it happen all like funny looking and stuff. Like, yeah. Noisy. Me and my boysy. There we go, dude. Look, it's right there. Sorry you can't see. Here. Right there. We got it. We did it, yeah. Dance. Everybody dance. Everybody dance now. Everybody dance now. I want a Judah dance emote now so I can play that everywhere. Dance. Level 3. Level 3. I did it. But it's not. Where's it? There it is. I did it. 1,100. And then we go up 100. Man. Drop that beat. Drop that beat. Drop that beat. Drop that beat. Yeah. Yeah. It kind of sounds like bing. Everybody. Yeah. Yeah. This sounds like I'm flying in space and I got a funny little spaceship and I'm like, yeah. And I'll be eating like outer space fast food. And I'm drinking. We all know where this song comes from. This is obviously Animal Crossing. Obviously Animal. If you don't know that, dude, there's something wrong. You didn't play the good ones. This sounds like Mario Kart or Mario Party. Let's see if they show us. They don't. What time is this at? 1 hour and 7 minutes. Secret Garage, Mario Party. Oh no, this is actually the main menu of Mario Golf. I should have just said Mario game. Drawing extincts, yeah. You get any cool new ones, dude? So another issue we have here in the level manager is that the level manager likes to grab a random. It likes to get a random one. But the thing is that we're not needing it. We don't need to do this anymore. We don't need to do this anymore. We don't need that no more. We just did that. Cause meh. Yeah. Whoa, sounds like someone's fighting in my house. Imagine some guy busting in, oh, put your hands on my... Wait. Yeah. It's really, really fun. You know what else is really fun? Sitting in complete silence. In the dark, staring at the wall. That's also not fun. We're used to replace obstacle levels in the respawn scenario. Yeah, we're gonna have to change this. We're gonna have to change this. Oh, dude. That sick Narnar picture there you got. Sick Narnar happy time. Ugh. Man, I don't want to mess with the cooling system today. But here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Let's just do like a U function, right? So why are these all like little bees? Little bees. See how they're little bees? We're gonna, you know, a pull actor. Get pull actor from object. Yeah. 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 The music sounds rather... I like that that's a good description. Wraithith? I thought that was... I don't like that description. I thought it was like... Why does this song sound racist? It makes me want to walk around, dude. And look and stuff. It's like mystery looking around, like... You know? Just chill with the music. My guy got a GameCube with no games. That's torture. Bad parent. Bad parent. The previous one? Or the previous one? Or the previous one? Why that one Wraithith? Maybe this This one looks like I'm about to eat like an animal cracker, and it's like an intense moment because the animal cracker knows it's going. And this is a part where it's like crying because I have it in my hand. No. Yeah. It's like saying its farewells. And then right when it ends or transitions is when you... Right? Yeah. Bite out the animal crackers, and all the other animal crackers are like... Ah! And now like the animal cracker is making a vow to get vengeance on the eaten animal cracker. And then we've just started a whole new story. What in the fuck? You never had an animal cracker? This guy has never had an animal cracker. Let's see. Animal cracker. See? Right here, dude. Jungle crackers. Animal crackers. Dude, these ones. This are the ones I get. Stuff? Oh, Staples. I thought it said stuffed animal cracker. I'm like, what? Not the animal. New one. New animal cracker. So, object type, right? E object type. E object. E level object type. For declaration, we're gonna say type. Pull actor from object type. So when we actually do this, right? We can essentially say we just iterate through our crazy T array here. Right? We get a bad boy and we say, hey, is that this? Right? Too bad we can't create. It'd probably be smarter to create like a structure. But then if we created a structure, then it wouldn't be as... We couldn't do like an object pointer and multiple of them. Or could we? More bien. More bien. So yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to think. Obviously, it's going to be slower if we iterate through each one. Honestly, what we could do is just say for int I equals 0 full object dot num, right? And we can just say, you know, if bold object I dot... Yeah, that's true, because some of these aren't going to have that category. Some of them aren't going to have that category. So maybe I should just make a pull actor with the category in them. Like the pull actor has it. There'll be different pickups. But then there's sub pickups. That's a lot of enums. That's a whole lot of enum. That's some enum soup. I don't think you can do it like this. You can do this. Yeah, they do the object class. That's because the object class is the key. The object class is the key. We have a level actor, we have a level object actor, which makes it, you know, I mean, that's not really the key. How do we, like, is there any way? Remove, find and remove, check. Find. So there is no way to do it like this. So for each element of pool object, we gotta say if element, right? Dot get. No. We'll have to, like, this is why I didn't want to do this, because it's going to be a lot of casting. More bean. More bean. I don't want more bean. I want more sleep. More sleep. I want all the sleep. So we're going to want to go through each element. And the thing about the element is that we're not going to know. Right, it's an object pointer to a pull actor, but then we have that pull actor class. So we're going to want to get the class of this element. But how do we do that? Right? We can get the value or the key. Dot key equals just do a, I mean, this is in here in this, so let's go ahead and add the a level actor or object include. I mean, I do have it, level object. Why is it giving me big sad? Maybe I can do static class here, static class. And we're not going to set it equal here, guys. We got to check if it's equal to that. Actually, we'll say if it's not equal to this, then we're just going to return or continue. I think it's called, or is it break? I think continue, break, and then it goes to the next one, right? If we return, it'll return from the entire function. But if we break, it'll break from this element in the function. I mean, we'll have to test that, you know, for sure. But if it doesn't equal a level object, then it's going to immediately break. If it does equal a level object, then we're going to want to we're going to want to cast. So what we're going to do, a level object equals element dot, gonna have to cast, not cast object, cast a level object from element dot value, I believe. Hold up, guys. Oh, he's talking to someone else. Hey, what's up, Corey? How's it going, bro? More bean. Let's see. Oh, that's why. Got like several casts here. Probably still not gonna work. Maybe I can just say element. Yeah, you win. Value. So this is gonna have multiple. So realistically, I'm gonna want to cast to this. Dot. Let's say if I do something like this, right? Object type. Yeah, I'll have to cast to this. I'll do this in the if statement. Because right now we want to make sure that we have access to the right object type, and I don't think it's necessary for us to loop through here and just grab one. How's it going, Corey, by the way? Eternal Zelda music? All Zelda music is eternal. Deck dot object type does not equal type, right? Then we're going to break. So we're just getting all like our conditions out, right? If not a level object, then break. This is a very funky pool object I'm creating, just so you all know. Just letting you all know that. Not a level object, then break. The right type, then break. Then go to the next one. So if all these are good, then we can just return, you know, yeah, we can return a element dot value we also are gonna have to check some things too, guys. Sadly, check if hidden. What? No calls. What's that? Really? Hold up, guy. Now we're just gonna have to sorry, I is less than element dot value dot num, then we're going to I plus, and we're going to I want to start making like if none are hidden, create. We're gonna have to implement that at some point. I'm just too lazy to do it. Right now we return a level actor. See if it contains the static class of a level actor. What is this? T subclass, level actor. We return null pointer. And I'm assuming we're doing a C subclass of that. Get should probably want to call this level object. No, this likes to add, yeah. What the heck is this? Curl, multi, whatever. So the idea is now we need to, for each one, go through and see if there is, like if we get a pull object, we can get one of this type. I don't know why we have world in here, especially if we don't use the world. Are we creating one? We should just automatically, as default, start passing the world so we can create one if there's an issue. For each pull object, that's an object, so null pointer. Not equal type, then break. If it does equal the type, then we're going to iterate through each one and return one that is hidden. Hidden in game. B is hidden in game. That's what we're based. B is hidden in game. If it is hidden in game, then we are going to return that element. We're not really worried about. My brain is getting scared. There's so much we're gonna have. Because we're gonna have to have an object type in this level object. We'll have to have an object type. And we'll also have to have blue. Thank you for finishing that up for me. don't have to have a biome type, because we definitely want different biomes at some point, you know. So for now, we'll just do like jungle. So right now they're all set to none. So eventually we're gonna want to check include biome at some point. I think that should be sufficient. Not all paths return value. Honestly, if none of these return, we'll have to find some way to create one if it doesn't have one. Probably make a bull. Is none hidden. False. Since we have this return, if we get this far, essentially B is hidden. You know, honestly, yeah, that's true. We don't need to do that. If it gets this far, if it got here, then there was none that was hidden. Spawn one. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, yo, yo. This is like a beat. That's awesome. Anyways, if it's gotten this far, it means it needs to create one. So, bruh, we're gonna have to get the world. I wanted to add it specifically to this element. So realistically here, we would have to go to like element dot value dot add. And then we could add something in that way. But first, we're going to have to, and then we would return whatever it is we create here. Creating a full actor class, but element dot e, not value, e, because that's the class. The new object. And then from there, we would want to, once we've added it, I'm going to add the new object. And in this case, it's like UI underscore log. So we have two breaks here to make sure that one, it is the class. It is a level object class because we're getting a level object with an object type. Secondly, we're making sure that it has that type. And while we're at it, I suppose we should also say E level object biome type, and also throw that in here and say, you know, object, it's got to be this and this dot object type, or ion biome does not equal biome type. If it doesn't equal the type, nor does it equal the biome type, so it's got to equal both. We're trying to get ones. Hey Chase, how's it going, bud? Welcome back. So if it doesn't equal the object type and it doesn't equal the biome type, we'll break. And if all those things, if we haven't broken already, that means we're essentially messing with an element that has all the specifics we need to be considered something we would want back from the pool object. So, I mean, we can get rid of this. And we can get rid of this because we run a for loop on the num. We check each one to see if it has, or if it is hidden. If it is hidden, then we return that hidden element. If we get past all of this, that means it was unable to find a hidden object, and therefore we should create one. So we're going to create one. We set the hidden state of that object to be true. We add it to that specific T array, and then we return the new object. Yeah, and honestly, we don't want this here. We want a T sub class of a pool actor. But even then, I suppose, since we're getting a level object with an object type, we're going to want to return a level object. We'll want a level object. Level object. We'll want that level object instead of that. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Boom. Bang. Boom. A level object. So we would have to cast this to that. So we have one more step in this. We just need to say a level object. Object equals cast to a level object that, and if that returns true, then, you know, we just return object. Whoa. Very, very interesting. And I can't do that because, I mean, I don't think I can do that. That just doesn't make sense. Oh yeah, it is a T subclass of that, not like an object pointer. I return a level actor here, return thing, get class. I gotta return the specific class and not that of itself. So I guess we go back to a pool actor. And we can go ahead and get rid of this up here. A bunch of extra code that we don't need. And everything works again. What? Hold up, guys. I'm gonna rerun this, go grab something downstairs, be right back. Sorry, guys. I'm back. Did it not do the thing? What happened? Did this completely poop the bed? Holy crap. You know how Cloud is. They want to make sure they got all your information all the time. Hey yo, chat, you want to see how I feel today? Yeah. I must stop lifting. Can you stop doing so many pepes? They're making me sad, okay? 200 lines. This level manager's got about that much. Now we should be able to be like, yo, let's level object, see? And now that means that when the level actor is unhidden, we can spawn more. Basic cucumber pickle. I'm proud of you. Send him to my house. Or send him to Chase. I know he likes pickles. No? No! I know. You should be excited to get those. No. Just it. No. Okay, fill it. So we're going to want to... Now the interesting part about this is that the level actor isn't going to have these components in it, but they're going to be outside of it. And they're going to track the movement of that. So when it comes to the movement of these things, we'll have to do something with that too. Set movement to parent level actor when unhidden. But for now, how do we even, in the level manager, we get it using the Judah game instance. Do we have a Judah game instance in here? Building object. B has it an object. Yeah, it's like I'm thinking it's not gonna have with object type. I mean, yeah, I mean, it should be giving us stuff instead of giving us a bunch of headache. Yeah, we got our Judah game instance. Yeah, see? So it is here. We're returning that, but for some strange reason, our mobile actor is moving. Let's see if we try anywhere else. Do I have... BRB. I'll see you when you're back, bro. Might have to leave in like a couple minutes, like 20. Yeah, we're gonna have to. Clean the solution. And rebuild solution. So there's no way that this is being this ridiculous. We might even have to go so far to destroy the intermediate folder. Click delete. Where does it be? If I can't see, then what shall I be? You guys like my little whack rap? How long does it take to rebuild? Rebuild solution. I wonder why it's doing this. Do I need to have the new game instance, which I have here? Let's just like try doing something that we do in here. Let's try doing this and see if like it throws an error. No parameters. Returns a new game instance. I like your what rap like a cap lap. What's a cap lap? What is that? What's a cap lap? I don't know what a cap lap is. Like a cap lap. You just discover the complete code. Did it do the thing? It did do the thing. Now everyone shows up. He's rapping. What up, everybody? Stretches. It's going to be a little bit annoying once we get to like the back panel stuff. Some type of something. Someone who has more level creation skills than I do probably knows what's best fit for what we're trying to do, but I'm thinking we just do a plane, just do planes with different like stuff. But once we get the objects in, we can start probably even demoing. The wall I be leaning. Really? Is that what you do now? You make words and you just give them a definition? Dude, it did rhyme. That's this. Superloo. What am I supposed to do except Superloo? Everyone's like, what's Superloo? Oh, that's when you make a hot bar. Hey, Shakespeare. I see you. Let's see. So why is it that when we return this, we don't have the ability to call anything from it? Is there something I don't comprehend? I mean, this is a level actor, this is a full actor, you know? What the heck is this? That's what that is. I don't know what I'm thinking right now. You know what it is that this freaking thing is so... Can't return that. But it doesn't matter because it won't freaking do the thing. Blueprint callable. Why is this an actor event? A part of me is just like, yo, just freaking, you know what it is? It's probably because we gotta do that. How much you want to bet? There we go. I wasn't forwarding correctly in that. We did the thing. Okay, I was gonna be so sad. So we want the pulling object dot get dot right, we get the world. An object type would be E level object. Object type. Floor. And then E level object biome. We'll do jungle. For now. at the sky and wonder why I'm alive. Rye is a crop. Google it. I know rye is a crop. All right. No pun intended. Ad brain activated. Sorry guys, I'm grumpy today. Today, big grump. Big grump day. Oh, we did just get a call though. I didn't hear it. Awesome. Stop and rerun. Oh yeah, I mean, I gotta restart my computer. It looks like the RAM is not working as intended. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna bounce. I will catch you next week, actually. I'll try to get more of this done throughout the weekend. We'll see what happens. If not, we'll start again at where we're at Monday. Other than that, boys and girls, I'm out for the day. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy the rest of your day. God bless. Christ of Nazareth loves you. And I do too. Make sure to click the like and subscribe button. Notification bell as well. Discord link in the description of this video. Join the Discord. Join the community. Make the community great. Love each and every single one of you guys. Keep making your stuff and keep pushing forward.